Grr. On morning side, got no stick in a ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go strap.
Like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it's
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here to my channel. My name is Saye. In today's video, I am so excited for today's video because I desperately need it. I do have a photo shoot tomorrow. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity to do how to glow up in 24 hours. I do actually have a nail appointment in about 2 hours. You guys, my nails are absolutely so grown out. I normally never wait this long to go and get my nails done, but I've just been a busy gal. I've been so locked in. I have so many projects on my agenda and I just simply didn't have the time. And Jaws is honestly like being a clown, as she normally is, on the couch, if you guys can see. This is just my daughter, literally. I feel like a lot of people get it twisted thinking that like you can only glow up like when you have to go and like buy expensive things, like get your nails done, lashes, and all these things. Of course, I'm gonna go get my nails done. That's a fact. There are so many other ways to glow up, like just internally and physically. So that's what I'm gonna go over for today's video. I'm so excited. So with that being said, I am actually drinking my Oxygreens here, and I thought, you know what? Because we're talking about glowing up, this is exactly what I've been drinking for the last, you guys, it's almost been a year. Yes, it has been. Me and Oxygreens, we've been locked in. So because this video is gonna be how to glow up in 24 hours, we're talking like mentally, physically, just everything, feeling good about yourself, looking good. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to talk to you guys about Oxygreens. Oxygreens is by EHP Labs, and I have been obsessed with this. I don't know what it is about just taking your daily greens. I just feel like a healthy girl. Like I just feel like I'm in my healthy girl bag right now. It just makes me feel internally really good. And of course, how you feel on the inside is gonna reflect on how you feel on the outside and look on the outside. And I always say that because I truly believe it. Today we have the Oxygreens in pineapple flavor. I still cannot believe to this day how good Oxygreens taste. Like there is no green or bitter aftertaste. It actually is so enjoyable to drink. It has your daily greens intake in just one scoop. It has detoxifying properties that's gonna help give you a little detox, which is perfect for a 24-hour glow up. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get our house in order, really. And of course, if you guys are going through like a little bit of a funk too, this video is gonna be great for you guys to just, I don't know, take some time and focus on yourself, make yourself feel good. Like there's nothing wrong with that. And I absolutely love doing these. Like this is what I do on a weekly basis. So if y'all have not done this yet, ooh girl, you gotta lock in right now. Another great thing with Oxygreens is it does help with bloating issues, and I've struggled with a lot of bloating issues in the past because obviously you don't know what is bloating you and what's making you feel a certain way depending on what you eat. Like you honestly don't know unless you go and see like a naturopath and like figure it out that way, but like that takes a lot of time and effort and money, and it's just like I don't even got the time. Oxygreens has definitely helped with my bloating issues, and like if y'all have seen what I look like right now, I'm just saying, Oxygreens has been a big part in my fitness transformation right now as well, but that's like a little side note. And it is so easy to drink. It genuinely tastes like just a green juice. Whichever flavor that you guys order, it actually tastes exactly like that flavor. Like this pineapple tastes like I'm eating pineapple right now. I know it looks green. I know it is green. Not looks green. It is green, but it doesn't taste green, if you know what I mean. So that's like step number one, just getting your health in check. I don't know, going to take your greens or just like making a healthy option is gonna help with just glowing yourself up and making yourself feel good internally. This honestly, you guys, I take this every single day. This does also suppress my appetite too. So like if I'm craving something or like I just wanna eat and I know I'm not supposed to, I will just make my Oxygreens and I'll just sip on that. Step number one to how to glow up in 24 hours is OxyGreens. Anything to do with health and wellness, make choices in your life that are gonna make you feel better and look your best. If you guys are wanting to try OxyGreens, I do have a discount code. It is SAIFBABY. You guys can use it in the checkout on EHP Labs and it will give you 10% off your order. Like I said, I have my nails in about an hour and a half now. So I'm actually gonna run out the door after I drink my OxyGreens, and I just have like a couple little errands to run. I have to go and grab some hygiene products because your girl needs to do a shower routine tonight. So I have to go and grab a couple of my day one products that I cannot live without. So for my nail appointment, I am getting a fill and a pedicure. So I'm literally gonna be there for 2.5 hours, which I absolutely hate, but it must be done. Like, it's just so good. I can just chug it. It genuinely tastes like a green juice, you guys. I'm not even playing right now. Like, I'm being so for real. Probably check back in when I go and grab some hygiene products, just so I can share with you guys what my staple hygiene products are and products I literally can't live without. Hey guys, I literally just pulled up to Shoppers Drug Mart. It's like about 3:20 right now. My appointment's at 4 and I was like, honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to like stop at a Shoppers because like the traffic was kind of like heavy a little bit and I didn't want to be late, but honestly, I think it's gonna be fine. So I'm just gonna run in there and grab a couple things, make a little pit stop, okay? Okay guys, I did not buy a lot just because I didn't need a lot of things, but you guys, I'm actually shocked that Dove came out with the body scrub in like a bigger, like, am I tripping? It's a bigger bottle, right? Like, it is. It's definitely much larger than the one that I usually buy. The one that I usually buy like doesn't last me because like I use that thing, okay? Normally this Shoppers does not have it and they only had one left. And then I also just needed a re-up of some body wash. I've been loving the Native Lilac and White Tea. I use this in my last shower routine and it is honestly phenomenal. Like the best body wash ever. It smells so good and it's one of those body washes that actually stays on your body. Like the scent afterwards, 10 out of 10. And then of course, I'm like cooking in this car right now. Give me one sec, you guys. And then I just had to buy some razors for dermaplating, which I love doing when I do an everything shower routine. It's just part of like the whole process and I just feel so good. So I definitely needed a couple more razors because I ran out. This is the one I usually buy. It's the Hydro Silk one. It's so fire. So honestly, you guys, that's all I got. Like nothing too crazy. So I still have a bunch of product that I'm still using and I did not need to replenish. So anyways, it is about 3:30 right now. I am on time. I'm not running behind today. So I will check back in when I get to the nail salon.
So many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on acting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I can keep on acting. I trusted you. I trusted you. So sad. What love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My baby, look home, baby.
Okay, it has been a few hours since I got back from the nail salon, but your girl's feeling so fresh. Nothing beats fresh nails. I actually messed up because normally I never do this, but I actually schedule my appointments online. It's just easier for me. I actually ended up booking my pedi and my mani at the same time. I didn't even do that on purpose. So unfortunately, I had to sit there and have her do my toes and my nails at the same time, which for filming purposes was really tough, and just like comfort wise, it's not always the best. Like if you're in a rush, I understand, but like majority of the time, I don't really love it. It wasn't the best time. But anyways, so I'm gonna remove my makeup first. I'm gonna go and do my everything shower routine. As you guys can see, I am real pale. Not used to being this pale. So that means I definitely have to reapply my self tanner, which you guys already know. If you guys have been here on my channel for a minute, you guys know how much I love fake and bake. Like for real. I'm just so excited to unwind. Normally when I do my everything shower routine and my self tanner and just all the little things in between, I just feel so good the next day, you guys. Like I'm just like, wow, like the glow up is so real. Like I just feel like $1,000,000. So just to remove basically all of my makeup before I head into the shower, I'm gonna be using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. This is like GOAT, like so good. I love how it just removes all of my makeup, and my entire face is Huda Beauty products. And if y'all have used Huda Beauty, you guys know that her products are like everything proof, like waterproof, sweat proof, sun proof. Like it's just crazy. I definitely always need makeup remover that can remove waterproof makeup. So I'm using a cotton pad, a reusable cotton pad actually. So I'm not gonna do my skincare routine fully because obviously I'm gonna get into the shower, the steam and everything, like it's gonna be for nothing. So I'm gonna do that afterward when I get out. But it's like, look at how nice it just comes off. Okay, I literally just put some moisturizer and a little bit of like spritz on my face just because my skin is so dry and I definitely need something to just keep it hydrated while I'm in the shower. So I'm gonna head into the shower right now and we're gonna do my everything shower routine. An everything shower routine can seriously level up your glow up game because it's basically a full self-care reset and you're taking time just for you. An everything shower routine makes you feel good because it's a perfect combo of physical refreshment and mental reset. You're not just getting clean, you're doing a full self-care ritual which includes exfoliating, shaving, deep conditioning, skincare, and maybe even playing your favorite playlist while you're in the shower. All of that triggers a sense of accomplishment, feeling fresh and confident, which is a huge part of a glow up. The mix of pleasure and care gives your brain a hit of feel-good chemicals. It's low-key therapy wrapped in steam. Using oil and body lotion is key for achieving glass skin because glass skin is all about hydrated, smooth, and a luminous look, like your skin is glowing from within. Body lotion gives your skin water-based hydration, essential for plump, dewy skin. Body oil locks that moisture in, creating a smooth, reflective surface that equals the glossy look. And don't mind my skin, I'm actually a little bit sunburnt, so that's why I'm a little bit red. Drying your hair after a shower is super important for your glow up because it's not just about avoiding wet hair, it's about looking polished, feeling confident, and protecting your hair health. Wet hair can make you feel undone or sloppy. Dry, styled hair instantly elevates your whole vibe, clean, intentional, and put together. When your hair looks good, you feel good. It's as simple as that. Moving on to skincare. Dermaplaning at home is a glow-up secret weapon because it instantly smooths your skin, boosts your skincare results, and makes your makeup go on like a dream. It removes peach fuzz and dead skin cells to give you an instant glow. Skincare is the foundation of any glow-up routine because it's what gives you the real long-term glow from the inside out. Makeup and hair can enhance, but glowy skin, that's the base. Self-tanning is a transformative step in your glow-up routine because it enhances your appearance, boosts your confidence, and promotes healthier skin, all without risk of sun exposure. And if you guys have been here for a minute, you guys know how much I love my fake and bake.
What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take you.
So that is how you glow up in 24 hours. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.